my channel. Today I have a Yes To product to share with all of you. I'm going to be trying a new mask that I found, and I believe I tried this one back in the day. I believe it was a shower cap mask, but here I have the clay mask version of the same product, and I want to see if this one will be any good. It's to help promote vibrancy in your hair with vitamin C and grapefruit. It's great for color treated hair, as you can see here. I guess it's great for the unicorn hair trend that's pretty much everywhere on Instagram, Facebook, any kind of social media. You'll see the unicorn hair. I'm going to give this mask a try because my hair is lackluster, as it says right here. I don't have a lot of color in my hair, but I think I still want to give it a try because it has vitamin C and grapefruit, so I want to see if it'll actually do anything for my hair. The last one was pretty good, so I want to give the clay version a try. Maybe it will give my hair just some sort of like nutrient boost or some sort of like volume or treatment. Grapefruit is good for antioxidants and preserving the hair color, and vitamin C adds shine and just, you know, brightening and gives it a little bit of flair. I really want to try this. It's a pretty quick, simple, easy to do mask. You leave it on and then you wash it out and see what happens. Hair care is very important. Just like skincare, you need a healthy scalp in order to have good hair growth and have good hair texture and vibrancy and bounce and fullness. All that is just like the skincare. You gotta use the right ingredients and have the right products, or you're not going to get the results that you want. So different hair textures require different hair care products. I recommend that you research what's best for you and for your hair, and maybe give it a shot and see how it will work for you. I have very fine hair, so it's important for me to have good hair care products, and I'm trying to grow out my hair, as you can see, and try to get rid of all the color and go for a more natural look. So I'm trying to have products that are more nutrient based, so here we go. So, and this one is cruelty free, vegan, and all that good stuff. Very good product. I love Yes To products. So I'm going to get started with the mask and show you. Everything seems to be at the top here, so I don't know. I'm going to open it and see what happens. I already washed my hair, as you can probably tell. The key for a good mask and to see if it's really working is by having a nice clean scalp, getting out all the buildup, all the nastiness out of your hair. I just washed my hair with shampoo and conditioner, nothing else. I had to add a little bit of conditioner. I know the mask will give my hair some conditioning, but my hair was like really not that great. So my hair needs a mask, so we're going to jump into it right now. I already pulled off the tab. We're getting into this. So it says you have to open the pouch and you just run it through your hair. You massage it throughout your scalp and your hair, and you do have to wash your hair before using it, as it says on the packaging. And we're going to get all this stuff out, mainly at the top, but I like to massage the product out so that way I can get everything. It smells kind of okay. It smells pretty good. Let me see, maybe I should open it from the side here like this, so that way we have a little platter to work with, like that, because I don't think it's going to be successful just squeezing everything out. So we're going to go into it like this, and oh boy, see, not a lot of product. I don't know, there's no way you can just squeeze it out. So I'm opening it like this. I opened it from the side, worked my way around, so that way you can actually get all the product. Handy dandy tool to have. And we're just going to scoop it out. No tools or anything needed, just scoop and massage. Scoop and massage. And it really is a clay mask. It's a nice peachy kind of tan sort of shade. Kind of like a coral sort of shade. Feels pretty okay, and we're going to massage it throughout the hair. and work it all in. Hard to get it through your scalp. It's hard, for me it's hard to like go through here and get into my scalp. But I'm going to work on it, that's for sure. Get everything that we can. If you have long hair, this might not be the best product. You might have to buy 2 of these. That's what I'm thinking. Because I don't know if one will actually be enough, in my opinion. Work it all out. Kind of like making a ponytail. Getting at the bottom here, just trying to get everywhere that you can. And just working it in and massaging. Massaging is really good at like stimulating the scalp and getting everything flowing and working and activated. There's not a lot of product in here. I mean, it's okay, but it's like, what I have to do, rub this on my head? I guess. I don't know. I guess it would kind of work, so I don't know. It's okay so far. Not enough product. Good thing I didn't pay a lot for this one. It was pretty much on sale, so I was like, well, might as well give it a try. It's very dry. It's not very creamy, but kind of like a dry creaminess. You can't really mobilize with it. I know it's a clay mask, but some clays you can actually go through and actually work it through your hair. Like, not all clays are created equal, that's for sure. You leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes, allowing the creamy clay to penetrate and go to work while you continue your shower routine. So I guess that's what we do, is wait 3 to 5 minutes. I'm going to use a hair clip and hold it. I'm going to set a timer for 5 minutes. I'm going to give it the max time, the very max. I'm not going any longer probably than 5. It's kind of not that great. Already I can tell it's I'm not a huge fan of it right now. So I'm going to set the timer for 5 mementos here, and we shall see what the mask will actually do for my hair. Well, it's been 5 minutes and I haven't really felt anything or seen any progress with the mask. It's still kind of creamy like, but it hasn't really dried down or hardened or stiffened, only in some places. Some places are patchy, and it's already been 5 minutes and I don't really want to wait all day for it to dry. I'm going to wash out my hair and give you the final results of the mask. So far it's kind of like a thumbs down, but we'll see after everything is done. I'm back and I washed my hair, which was a disaster, and I managed to style it the best that I could. I don't like this mask at all. You don't get enough product for what you pay for, and it's patchy because there's not enough product, and it doesn't dry down evenly. It makes your hair feel super nasty when you're trying to wash it out, and it doesn't want to wash out. It's terrible, I have to admit. I wish that I didn't put it in my hair because it was just a pain in the butt to even try to wash out. And styling my hair was a challenge because it made my hair feel not vibrant, not any kind of good. It just made my hair feel crispy and weird, and it actually tingled my hair, and it was just not that great. I do not recommend this mask at all. I don't care what hair length you have, what hair texture, anything. Don't get this mask. It's junk. It's junk. Usually Yes2 has a lot of great products. I've had so many different good products, some bad ones, but this one is bad. I wish they had a different way of packaging the product so that way you get more for your buck, pretty much. Like, this way is not very good. The clay gets stuck in one spot and there's only like a little bit that you get. Like, the packaging is not that great. for a clay mask. So I hope that they can maybe reinvent themselves pretty much with this and maybe put it in a different package, maybe make a better clay mask, improve on the ingredients and the quality, because they really missed the mark with this one. It's a miracle my hair even survived that mess. I'm just saying. Not very nice, not very good. I feel like I wasted my time and my energy and effort, but at least now you know what kind of junk it is. So I sacrificed my hair for all of you, so I hope that you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching my Yes to Grapefruit hair clay mask review. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It would be really appreciated. Also, while you're here, why not subscribe? It's free, and don't forget to press that notification bell. And you'll be notified when I post new videos, which is every Wednesday and Saturday, so please be on the lookout for those uploads. I also post on social media when I have a new upload, so follow me there. Check all the links out down below. As well, I have a lot of affiliate links and coupon codes for your enjoyment, so go down there and check out all the links down below. I also have my Avon shop available if you're interested. I have a lot of great products on the website, so go check that out. I'll be happy and appreciative if you have me as your representative today. I also have my merch on. If you didn't notice already or haven't even known, I have t-shirts. They're on represent.com. The link is down below as well, so go down there, check out all the links. I'm sure you'll find something for your enjoyment, and it's appreciated. I love all the support that you guys have given me. As always, I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye, everyone.